Make sure you wear your mask at all times. Going back to the Staples store. Oh, I got my money. Oh, thank goodness. Hey, Mandy, how are you? God is good all the time. Oh, boy. It's a Mario day. I made it through this moment. We are going to get through this. There's a nice show over here. Let's sit down. Rounds. Oh, man, it's a lazy boy show. Oh, Bodine executive show. Oh, it feels good. I love this chair. Oh man, feels nice. Ooh, I feel good. It's like the sweet life of Zach and Cody. Man, taking it nice and easy. I'm enjoying my life. Hey, Ronnie, long time no see. Happy Friday. I really don't come here on Fridays too often. I come on Saturdays and Sundays. I see you got more shells over here now.
I do.
These are very lovely shells. Oh man. I want to get this World Touch gaming shell. Wish I had this shell right now. It lights up and everything. Oh man, if I can get this shell. Oh, the armrest goes back. That's what I like. Look at all these shells. Different prices. I wish I can do this right now. Ooh. Oh man, feel good. Oh boy. These shells are nice. Support, plus relief, durability, responsiveness, durability, responsiveness, support, plus relief. The world's most comfortable office shells. Decide for yourself. Tempur-Pedic. And the price is $147.46. Oh man, I'm enjoying the moment. Oh gosh. Ooh, I'm having the time of my life. I love these shoes. I'm comfortable. Oh boy. Oh man. I love it. I love it. Oh man, I wish I can come to Staples every day of the week if I wasn't busy. But sometimes you gotta stay home. Sometimes you gotta rest. Because 6 days we should do all of our work. And on the 7th day we should rest. Now, tomorrow we're not going to see Spiral from the Book of Saul. But we are going to watch The Quiet Place Part 2 with Emily Blunt and John Krasinski. The guy who plays in Jack Wine. So I'm looking forward to watching that. And Andre Grow, Mr. Andre Grow, he is the man. Oh man, he has made me feel great about myself. So I'm just hoping everything will work out for everybody. These shells are comfortable. What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. Angels bow before us. Heaven never does us. What a mighty God we serve. Jesus is our God we serve. Jesus is our God we serve. Angels bow before us. Heaven and earth adores us. What a mighty God we serve. Jesus is our God we serve. Jesus is our God we serve. Angels bow before us. Heaven and earth adores us. What a mighty God we serve. Jesus is our God we serve. Jesus is our God we serve. Angels bow before us. Heaven never does us. What a mighty God we serve. Jesus is our God we serve. Jesus is our God we serve. Angels bow before us. Heaven never does us. What a mighty God we serve. Hoping everything will work out for our people and good things come to those who wait on the Lord and be a good courage. I'm resting in the Staples store right now, trying to find a place where I can have some quality time. Oh man, This was so unpredictable, but you never know, because it can always rain again. Oh boy, look at the beautiful flowers going to the Staples, I mean the Petco store right now. Not that crowded. Hey buddy, how you doing? Nothing much, chilling. Oh man, I'm enjoying this moment. Miss Barbara, how are you? Hello, Sebastian, how are you? More fish in this department. Wow. He's cleaning the tanks out, making sure everything's neat and healthy for the fish, because if the fish are not clean and healthy, then they won't be able to survive. The parakeets or canals. There's the canal over there. Oh, he's hungry. You're a hungry little bird. Sit she. Hey boss, how you doing?
Alright.
Oh man, look at the beautiful hamsters and the gerbils. Wow. I love coming to Petco. Cat little over there. That's what the cats do a lot of times when they play in their litter. And I'm just hoping.
How are you?
I'm great, Elizabeth. It's good to see you again. God is always there for us. Hello, how are you? And we have to make things possible, because if we don't, then we don't know what's going to happen to us. So we got to keep our head above water and do what God tells us to do. Man cannot live by bread alone, but every word I perceive from the word of the Lord or the word of God. Squeaky toys. This is all puppy food for dogs and cats. Mostly for dogs. That's what they need to stay healthy. Because if they didn't have that, then I don't know what will happen to them. I'm gonna get to the next level. God loves us all, and He wants us to do incredible things. So we have to be careful what we wish for, because we might get what we want. We don't want this to happen. Oh, I love this place. This is a claw, or probably a purple scooper, to clean up after your dogs. And bags, Petco bags, they got those bags back. Oh man. These are for dogs, puppies. Oh man, I love God. He loves me more than you ever know. They got betas, they got chillers, they got like ultra male, copper male, double, tall male, coin female, soda female. They got the elephant eel female, and so many varieties of fish they have here. They have countless fish here. Oh, he cleaned those out really well. Oh man. Hey, Miss Barbara, good to see you again.
How are you?
I'm fine. How you been?